On this week's show, Dead Cat Bounce, is the rally over? Trading, what is next for me? Have I broken even yet? And why are Wombles even trading? Let's do this. Welcome to episode 12, where I'm taking £15,000 and investing and trading in crypto and some stocks. It's been very hot in the borough this week, with temperatures reaching around 34 degrees centigrade, or Celsius, depending how you want to say that. My cats are struggling to cope, and going outside has been like a trip into Death Valley. Wombles are not used to heat. We don't deal with it well at all. But hopefully it will cool down next week. But is the same going to happen for crypto prices? Price has been steadily rising since June, with highs and higher highs pushing the price upwards, and the higher lows ensuring this continuation. It's been an easy trading ride, going long at the higher lows and near the green curved line, and taking profits after the highs or higher highs have printed. This week the pattern has broken slightly, with 3 of the candles all trying to push to higher prices before falling back again. Today, Sunday, we again have a higher high, which was first seen on the red candle, which is fallback from the current high at the moment, and on the previous green one. So what's going on? But it's all noise to me, as I wouldn't trade in this red zone anyway. The main issue is the large red box at the top of the screen. Here we see a lot of sell orders, and we also see a white line crossing down. This is the price trend of the market since December 2021. It is a big ask to push through all of that for the price to continue to rise, and I would expect to see another few cycles of higher highs and lower lows, and then the push for 26,000 and above. But then I would see this bouncing off this big red box immediately, with the price going down. This is the famous dead cat bounce, or is it? Possibly. These false rallies can be larger than people think, and once you think you're out of the woods and you're in a bull run, it just comes back and bites you on the bottom. But looking at the chart, it does seem to be setting up nicely for a trap. My thoughts, just don't go long near $26,000. So how far it's going to bounce back is another question, and depends what is left in the remains of support at $25,000, $23,000 and $21,200. If all of those supports fail, the price will hit the next support at around $19,200. If that happens, it could break again. And with the other market pressures going on, and BlackRock now in the picture, it could be on the cards. For me, I would like to see the price hit 26,000 and then hold around the 22,800, or even better, the 24,800 mark. I think I'm being a little bit of an optimist though. So with that said, my current trade points to go long are at 23,455, 21,200 and 22,953. So I am relying on the fact that the price is going to go down and then bounce back up towards the 26,000 line. My take profits are at 25,950. Now then, so while we're on the subject of trading, and with more gains this week, and still with around 3k left to invest in the project, I'm really now thinking it's time to take that money and trade it. Yes, this is memories of 2019 and season 1, where I took £3,000 and traded it madly for a year, and there's no harm in repeating this exercise again. This time we are strictly on spot though, and we'll be trading either Bitcoin or ETH pairs versus the US dollar, at least at the start. If I can make, say, 8 to 10% a week, then that would net something in the region of £200 to £300. Compound that up, and things really start to get interesting as we move into autumn and winter. All that said, if you want to follow me on this project and listen to more opinions on prices and trading from a womble with big furry paws, then please consider dropping me a like and perhaps even subscribing to the channel. I'm always interested in people's thoughts on the shows, so perhaps even leave a comment. Okay, so let's look at the valuations for the week. I've simplified everything for this show, so going to quickly show the totals and the progress so far. On Coinbase, we see our total balance is now 6,530, with our Ethereum worth 3,442, our Bitcoin 2,610, our Ethereum 2, which we continue to stake at 444.84, and bless our die, still there at 30.81. Obviously the prices have been rising this week. Look at the QDOS, we're still pretty static at 65.52, and most of our shares on eToro are showing profits. The S&P 500 is up 7.38%. Silver finally has broken into the green, and we're up $32. Tesla, yeah, okay, we don't want to talk about Tesla. And Amazon is up nearly $80. So that's pretty good. Let's look at the actual totals. So this week we've been trading, and we have made 7.3% ROI. Our crypto is up 9.72%, and our stocks are up 9.66%. In total, therefore, the project has made 4.9% ROI this week. So this means, for the first time, we've broken even, with the current value of the portfolio now at £15,101.71. So that's all very, very good news. Obviously, it depends what's going to happen with the price in the next few days and few weeks, but we seem to be on the right track. So let's quickly look at that from an ROI perspective. We can see that we are 0.7% over in profit. Unbelievably in profit. It does seem a long time ago that we were minus 20%. But the thing is, we could return to that really quickly if that price bounces off 26,000. With all that said, that's it from me this week. And as I always say, onward and upward.